Hi, I'm Kane and I'm one of the lead project engineers for ClearVC. So I've been in audiovisual for 10 years now, and I think the most rewarding aspect to the job is working on a solution from start to finish, whether it be a small meeting room, a medium, a large meeting room, an event space. It's delivering a solution that will essentially enhance the meeting spaces of all of our customers. We're here today at GPS Telecoms. We're going to be installing two ScreenBeam 1100 pluses. One of the rooms is going to have a Yealink S40 solution, all in one soundbar. The other room is going to have a UVC 86 camera, two speakers, two wireless microphones, and these are going to both be connected for wireless conferencing. So follow us into GPS Telecoms for a day in the life of an engineer. In this larger meter room, we're going to have an LG 75-inch display with a peerless tilting wall mount, the ScreenBeam 1100 Plus, a UVC 86 camera, two speaker soundbars, and two wireless microphones. David's just put the camera up. We're going to have the centre of the lens at 120. This is the average eye line of everybody who's going to be seated within the meeting space. This is just a recommended standard that we work to. So we've marked up the bracket of where the screen's going to go. The bottom of the screen is going to sit just above the camera, 10 to 15 mil. So it's going to be about 125 or 1250 millimeters. So if we ever have any issues on site, we as engineers will try and rectify the issue. If we can't, we'll go to our dedicated support team in the office. They can then escalate the issues to the suppliers or direct to the manufacturers. So we're just coming to the end of the installation now. The speakers, as you can see, are up. The camera's up. The ScreenBeam's now configured. So my laptop is now working. The microphones that are on the boardroom table, they're all paired. The charging stations are installed just on the side, and we're ready to go. So it's just now to hand over to the customer and make sure that they're happy with the installation. So we've just done a final walkthrough with the customer. I've shown them how to use the wireless presentation aspect, the wireless conferencing aspect. We've shown them how to change the back-end settings so it'll tailor to their needs. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for GPS Telecoms for allowing us to film while we've been doing this installation. I hope you found it informative of a day in the life of a ClearVC engineer.